The Big Red Bird and the Red Feather Game. Once upon a time, in a magical forest, lived a big red bird. The big red bird loved to fly high in the sky and keep watch over the forest below. One day, the big red bird noticed some children playing. She was extremely excited because she loved children and was crazy about playing games. So, the big red bird decided to join their fun. As she flew closer, the big red bird was expecting to hear laughter, friendly words, and voices, but instead, she heard unfriendly yelling, arguing, and name-calling. It was utter chaos, a jumbled-up mess. The big red bird plopped in a tree, feeling very upset. Her heart was pounding, her wings were tightening up, and she felt a little dizzy, knowing that she needed to calm herself. The big red bird paused, breathed slow, deep breaths, thought about her wonderfulness, her gifts within, kindness, respect, and self-control, then decided just what she needed to do. I'll teach the children a calming game. To get children's attention, the big red bird dropped feathers. Some feathers fell gently to the ground like snowflakes. Others looked silly as they spun and twirled like dancers. The children looked up just in time to catch a glimpse of the big red bird flying deeper into the magical forest, leaving behind a red feather path. Where did the red feather path lead? The children were curious, so pulling together, they cautiously followed the feather path, stopping at a treasure chest. The big red bird was sitting next to the chest, holding a big red feather up to her beak. She was slowly breathing out air onto the feather, up one side and down the other. After some time passed, she began to feel calm and peaceful. The children were dazzled by the big red bird and the red feathers. They could only imagine what magnificent treasures were hidden inside the chest. The big red bird sensed the children's inquisitiveness, so she put the big red feather down and carefully opened the treasure chest. Inside the chest were beautiful, colorful feathers of all shapes and sizes. Using a quiet, low voice, the big red bird said, "We can't stop others from being unfriendly to us. We sometimes think we can make them stop by fighting and yelling back at them, but it just keeps the unfriendly going. I know a game that will help calm big feelings." Feelings like mad, sad, hurt, or worried. Pausing, breathing slowly, thinking about your wonderfulness, your gifts within, then deciding what to do using good judgment will help you get along better with your friends, family, and teachers. Let's play the red feather game.